Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of 9 to the power x over 27 to the power y when 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. We have to find the value of 9 to the power x over 27 to the power y. So this 9 is 3 square and whole to the power this x over this 27 is 3 to the power 3, this is 27, and whole to the power this y is equal to this 3 square whole to the power x according to this formula a to the power m whole to the power n. This can be written as a to the power mn. So applying this formula, we can write 3 square whole to the power x as 3 to the power twice x over, similarly this 3 to the power 3 whole to the power y, according to this formula we can write this as 3 to the power 3 times y, so 3y is equal to, now applying this formula, a to the power m over a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Applying this formula, this 3 as a, so a to the power this twice x as m and this 3y as n. So 3 to the power twice x over 3 to the power thrice y, this can be written as 3 to the power m minus n, means this twice x minus this thrice y is equal to 3 to the power twice x minus thrice y. So the value of twice x minus thrice y, this is 5, is equal to 3 to the power 5 is 243. So the value of 9 to the power x over 27 to the power y is equal to 243. So this is the value of 9 to the power x over 27 to the power y. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.